Almost 90% of automatic car owners are making at least one of these mistakes right now. And most have no idea it's slowly destroying their transmission. One mistake alone can lead to a $3,000 to $5,000 rebuild, and it's something you probably do every day without thinking. Here's 15 stupid mistakes destroying your automatic car that you 100% need to know. Let's begin now with mistake number 15. Mistake number 15. Shifting into park before your car fully stops. You're pulling into your driveway, still rolling slightly, and you slap it into park. Inside your transmission, a small metal pin called the parking pawl locks the output shaft. When you shift while moving, that pin slams into spinning gear teeth instead of sliding in smoothly. Over time, this wears down the pawl and gear. Mechanics see this constantly. Repairing a damaged parking pawl runs $400 to $800. Here's the kicker. Do this enough, and your car might not stay in park, rolling away on a hill with nobody inside. Always come to a complete stop, count 1 full second, then shift to park. You'd be very much surprised by this next mistake. Mistake number 14. Riding the brakes and gas at the same time. Some drivers do this in traffic without noticing. Left foot on brake, right foot on gas. Your transmission and torque converter fight against the brakes while trying to send power to the wheels, generating massive heat. Heat causes over 90% of transmission failures. A fluid flush costs $150. A rebuild from heat damage costs $2,500 to $4,000. This habit quietly cooks your fluid over months, and you won't notice until it's too late. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Mistake number 13, ignoring your transmission fluid completely. Most owners check oil, but almost nobody checks transmission fluid. That fluid lubricates, cools, and transfers hydraulic pressure for shifting. When it gets old, dirty, or low, gears slip and components grind. Many manufacturers recommend changes every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, but dealerships often claim lifetime fluid. That's often false, and a reason transmissions fail right after warranty ends. A fluid change costs $150 to $250. A replacement costs $3,000 to $5,000. Here's the kicker. Low fluid triggers no warning light on many vehicles, so the only way to know is checking the dipstick yourself. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Mistake number 12. Towing heavy loads without a transmission cooler. Towing forces the torque converter to slip more, generating extra heat. Stock coolers on many vehicles aren't built for sustained towing. This is why so many transmissions fail within a year or two of regular towing. An aftermarket cooler costs $100 to $300 installed and can double your transmission's lifespan under load. Compare that to a $3,500 average rebuild. Here's the kicker. Many owners don't know their factory tow package includes an upgraded cooler, so if you're towing without confirming, you're already stressing your transmission. Now, for a mistake that's incredibly common but rarely talked about. Mistake number 11. Shifting from reverse to drive without stopping. Drivers rock the car back and forth by shifting while still moving. The transmission has to instantly reverse internal gear sets, putting intense stress on clutch packs and bands. Doing this repeatedly wears these components years early. Rebuilding clutch packs alone costs $1,200 to $2,000. Here's the kicker. Many newer vehicles have built-in delays preventing instant engagement specifically because of this habit. That's how seriously manufacturers take it. If you made it here, we'll appreciate you liking the video. It helps us make more car tips content. Let's keep going. Mistake number 10. Using neutral at red lights. Some older drivers were taught to shift to neutral to save the transmission, but modern automatics handle idling and drive efficiently through torque converter design. Constantly shifting between drive and neutral forces repeated engagement, accelerating wear on shift solenoids, $150 to $300 to replace. Here's the kicker. This doesn't save meaningful fuel. Most cars use less than a gallon per hour at idle, so you're adding wear for zero benefit. But wait. If that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next mistake could cost you way more. Mistake number 9. Ignoring the check engine light when paired with rough shifting. Drivers assume it only relates to the engine. On many vehicles, the transmission control module shares codes with the engine computer. That light can warn of a failing transmission sensor or solenoid. Catching a $200 sensor early is completely different from a $3,000 failure 6 months later. Delayed diagnosis is a top reason small problems become total replacements. Here's the kicker. A basic diagnostic scan at most auto parts stores is free, and getting one immediately could save you thousands. You'd be very much surprised by this next mistake, especially if you drive hills. Mistake number 8. Not using low gear or manual mode on steep descents. Most drivers never touch it and just ride the brakes down. When you constantly brake, brakes overheat. Shifting lower uses engine braking, taking pressure off brakes and transmission. Skipping this wears brake, adds faster, $150 to $300 early replacement, and makes your transmission work harder. Here's the kicker. On mountain roads, brake failure from overheating is a leading cause of runaway vehicle accidents. This isn't just about your transmission, it's about safety. Trust me, this next one will shock you. It's something almost every driver does. Mistake number 7. Flooring the gas from a cold start. On cold mornings, drivers start and immediately floor it. Transmission fluid needs time to warm up and reach proper viscosity. Flooring it cold forces the transmission to work at full capacity with fluid too thick to protect components, especially below 40 degrees. Doing this repeatedly over winter shaves years off transmission life. Here's the kicker. Driving gently for the first 5 minutes costs nothing and adds years to your transmission. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Mistake number 6. Ignoring dashboard overdrive or ODOF warnings. When overdrive is disabled, your engine spins faster at highway speeds, increasing fuel consumption and transmission wear. Drivers ignore this light for months. Toyota and Honda service data show driving with overdrive disabled unintentionally increases transmission wear by forcing operation outside intended gear range. Here's the kicker. This is sometimes a $50 sensor issue, but ignored long enough, it contributes to thousands in damage. Now, for a mistake that sounds harmless, but genuinely isn't. Mistake number 5. Using the wrong transmission fluid. Not all fluid is the same. Different transmissions need specific viscosity and friction properties. Using generic universal fluid instead of your manufacturer's type causes improper shifting, slipping, or seal failure. Some quick lube shops use one-size-fits-all fluid, causing expensive damage. Always check your manual for the exact spec. Dexron, Mercon, or manufacturer-specific like Toyota's WS fluid. The correct fluid costs $10 to $20 more. The wrong one leads to $2,000 of $4,000 repairs. Here's the kicker. Some warranties are voided if the wrong fluid type was used. If you made it this far, you're serious about protecting your car. Like this video so we can keep making content like this. Now, the final 4 mistakes. These cause the most expensive damage. Mistake number 4. Driving with a check transmission temperature warning. Many modern vehicles have a dedicated transmission temperature gauge or light, and most drivers don't know it exists. Fluid breaks down above 175 degrees, and every 20 degrees above cuts fluid lifespan roughly in half. If you see this warning and keep driving normally, you're cooking your fluid in real time. Continuing can turn a fluid change into complete internal damage within hours. Here's the kicker. Most drivers don't realize their vehicle has this warning until it's too late. Check your manual today. Mistake number 3. Delaying transmission mount replacement. Your transmission is held by mounts, and when they wear out, drivers assume it's normal noise. A worn mount allows the transmission to shift during acceleration, stressing linkage, cooling lines, and electrical connectors. Driving on a failing mount for months leads to leaking lines or damaged wiring. Replacing a mount costs $150 to $350. Ignoring it and dealing with resulting damage pushes costs above $1,000. Here's the kicker. A failing mount often causes a distinct clunk when shifting from park to drive. If you've heard that and ignored it, this might already be happening. Mistake number 2. Skipping regular transmission inspections. Most drivers get oil changes religiously but never inspect their transmission, even though manufacturers recommend checks every 30,000 miles. Small issues like a worn seal or early solenoid failure are cheap when caught early, often under $200. Left unchecked, they compound into bigger damage requiring full rebuilds. AAA data shows early caught transmission problems cost 80% less on average than those discovered after complete failure. Here's the kicker. An inspection takes 30 minutes and often costs under $50, making it one of the cheapest ways to avoid the most expensive repair your car can need. And now, mistake number 1. The biggest and most expensive. Ignoring transmission slipping or delayed engagement. This is when you shift into drive and there's a pause before the car moves, or the car slips between gears while driving. Slipping means internal clutches or bands aren't gripping. Metal on metal contact is likely happening. This doesn't get better on its own. It gets rapidly worse, often within weeks. A $300 to $500 fixed solenoid or valve body becomes a $3,000 to $5,000 replacement if you keep driving. Here's the kicker, the most important part of this video. Transmission slipping is one of the few problems where waiting even a short time dramatically increases cost. If your car has done this even once, get it checked today, not next week. So there you have it. 15 mistakes quietly destroying your automatic transmission right now. Which have you been making? Drop the number in the comments. We're curious how many are guilty of number 7 or number 1. If this helped, subscribe for more car tips every week to keep your car running longer and save thousands in repairs.